Hi friends, today we will learn how to create a cloth roll inside 3ds Max without using any plugins. First, let's set up our system units. This is important because our cloth will behave accordingly. If you set it in millimeters, it will behave like a small cloth, which is not what we want for this tutorial. Next, create a 2D rectangle and apply the Garment Maker modifier. Increase the density of our cloth. Now create a helix. Make sure both the second radius and height are set to 0. Then increase the number of turns, indicating how many times you want to roll your cloth. Add a path deform modifier. Set the rotation to the 90 because we want the black part outside, revealing the inside part through unrolling. Change the stretch value to auto, in this case it is 1.62. Increase the percentage to 50% so our cloth is perfectly rolled inside the helix. Add a cloth modifier. Select the vertices where you want to hang your cloth. You can simply assign preserve to this group, but I'm adding a cylinder and then assigning nodes to this vertices group. Now choose generic heavy or heavy leather. Add wing. Before simulation, make sure you have set self-collision to 1. Now simulate. If it's too slow, you can increase gravity. In my case, it's working perfectly. Add a shell modifier to give some thickness. Then add a turbo smooth modifier. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends so YouTube recommends it to more people. This will motivate me to create more content like this.